Teespring tutorials for beginners. How to use Teespring to start selling your products. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Teespring, a marketplace where you can start selling your products without any cost. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit this teespring.com site, and here you can see this option, start creating. Teespring is a marketplace, you can say like Shopify, where you can start selling your products but with less cost. Here you have to enter your name, your Gmail address, and then you have to enter your password right from here. Then you have to tap onto I am not a robot option, and then let me add a password right now. Now you have to tap on I'm not a robot. Also, you can just simply go with your YouTube account, Google account, or Facebook account. You can log in with it. I'm gonna log in with this one, and then tap on to continue. So after tapping on to continue, wait, there we go. Here you can see the teespring.com interfaces. You can start your with a 3-month free trial. So let's get started. Here you can see this creating option. Just tap onto these options here, and from there you can start selling your new products. You can add products, for example this one. You can choose it up, you can set its price, and you can add design to continue. You can check out its preview. So there we go. You can add more product details. For example, you can choose this advanced option. That's it. You can add more product details here. So this will what my product will look like. You can change the color theme from here and many more. You can change the styles. You can change the front and back from here. And let's say you want to, let's keep it up here. You want to add text by, let's edit this text. Buy it now, and let's edit our text color to white. Okay, no, image product color to white, and then there we go. Now you can add more design with Adobe Expresses if you wish to. So you can tap onto I agree, and let's go with this one. So now you can use Adobe Express to design your product. Just enter your product from here. For example, I'm gonna upload an image of, for example, I'm gonna sell this keyboard here. Let's make it larger. Okay, that's enough. And I'm gonna add some blend of skin on. Okay, let's skip it. Okay, this is okay. Now from the upload option, I'm gonna add this one to, no, I'm not gonna add this. Let's add this. Okay, this is perfect as it is. Now you have to tap on to add product. You just have to customize it according to your need, customize it more properly, because I'm just doing it to show you. I'm not starting to sell it on it right now. So this is what it will look like. Let's tap onto month, tap on create account, and there we go. Wait, let it load, and then you have to tap on to add to product. Now you have to tap on to add to product, and there we go, your product will now added. So this is how you can customize it if you wish to. Now lastly, you can customize it more. You can add more images. You can continue. Now after tapping on to continue, you can edit it if you wish to. Now let's say this is the price of it, and you can profit $4 if you want. You can make the price more higher and you can earn more. This is kind of like drop shipping, you can say. The original price of this product is like $17, and then if you start selling it, you will get $4. Okay, now you can just tap on to continue, and let me go back, and here you can see one product selected, and you can select up to max 15 products. If you are on the freer version, you can add more products from here. You can edit it, you can change the thing, and you can tap continue. So this is how you can start customizing it. And lastly, you can tap continue. Now you have to enter the name or title of your products. For example, okay, daily, no, buy it now. or you will miss it. I'm just adding random title, not that much great title. Now you have to enter a random description if you wish to. Now you can make it more advanced by editing URL handle here. You can check it visibility, whether you want to public, private, or unlisted. You can tap on to add existing store. If you have, then you can just add it. Now tap on to launch listings. Now let it load completely, and you can share it with your friends. You can activate integrations with social medias, like you can upload the link of your store to your social media account, for example YouTube descriptions, comments, or Facebook bio, etc. Now you can answer some questions for me, but right now I'm going to skip them. So there we go. Now you can tap on to activate, and there you can see my product is now live. So let's copy this one and let's go to another browser and check it out how it looks like. You have to log in, so I'm going to log in using my Google account. Okay, let's use another Google site. For example, I'm going to use this one. Let's paste the link. Let's enter our Gmail address. Let's continue with this one. Let's tap continue, and let's see how it turns out. So it is loading, and if you want, you can check it out. You can share URL, you can create another listings if you want it, and the expiration date is 1 month. If you want, you can just manage it. Okay, and this is the code, like the discount code. If anybody use them, they can get a discount. So you can sell on social medias like platforms from here and etc. So that was pretty much it. Let's see. Okay, it is still loading, so that's pretty much it. Now you can go to the site. You can share the URL. You can copy the URL and share it up here, and this will look like this. Now anybody can add it to cart and start buying it. Now anybody can check it out. Tapping on to checkout, they can enter promo code here, and they can buy it by entering these addresses. Now you have to tap on to place order, and that's it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This is how you can start selling very easily. So that's it. You can see all these things. Now you have to enter all these options. Now complete my purchase with this address. Now you have to save it up, and then you can place order by entering these addresses, a banking address or payment address. So goodbye, and see you on to another video.